All right, 2818 Buick is almost ready. Actually, it'll be ready this week. Well, I have to flip around like this, but just want to show you guys a quick little walkthrough video. I know we posted some before photos, and I just leaked the professional photos that came out. Just got some little odds and ends to do, but we got new siding, new windows. The roof is only a couple years old. Driveway is awesome. This is a 1.5 car garage, could easily be a 2. We just got some trash to pick up, some little odds and ends, but I'll walk you guys through it real quick. So this is the kitchen. And we got a new electric panel. Ta-da! New appliances. I love these appliances. Maytag. Living room. Nice big living room. Love that big bay window over there. We got bathroom. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is the master bedroom. And then over here is the kids' room. So we actually had, this room was a lot smaller. Right here was the closet beforehand. So this room was only like 5 feet wide and 18 feet long. So what we did is move the closet from over here to back there. So now it's 16 feet long and 7 feet wide over here. So now it's more like a bedroom. Before it was way too small. And then I'll show you guys the yard. We just had a bunch of trees trimmed. It looked like a zoo back there. And now it looks a lot nicer. But yeah, you still got some privacy. This is here in Waterford. And has some privacy, which is nice. Nice big garage. Yard. Still got some stuff to pick up, like the tires and whatnot. But yeah, this house will be ready end of this week for sure. I think I'll be listing it like Wednesday. So if you or someone else you know is interested, feel free to share this video with them. So the address is 2818 Buick in Waterford. And I'll show you guys a couple more properties we're working on. So talk to you soon.